Hi guys. We're doing a different video today. I have no lighting. Got my hair back. And we're going to do a face mask that I just got from Sephora so I could get free shipping. It's one of those cool looking, oh my god, what's his name? Dr. Jart Shake and Shot Rubber Brightening Mask. I don't know why I had to say it weird. But yeah, no ring light today. And then I also wanted to open the Facetory March box. Also, I think the last time I posted a video was probably 2 weeks, maybe coming up in 3 weeks whenever I get this posted. And wait, let me put this on first and then I'll explain so it has time to sit. I don't see the directions in here. Oh, I think you just literally pour 1 and 2 in here. I don't know what kind of, I don't know if this is liquid. Oh yes it is. So I'm opening the Super Booster and pouring it in here. I feel like I can't show you, I'm sorry. I'll be right back. I think number 2 is all jelly. Did I do something wrong? Oh, it's like... Close the lid, cover the hole with your finger and shake well until fully mixed. Okay. To cover her mouth hole. Ah! Did you hear it solidify? Oh, that's gross looking. So it looks really freaking creepy, but the mask is coming out of her mouth. I'm just rubbing it on my face. Oh, Manga, please, if you knock over my camera, it looks like yogurt. It's way down in there. And then you have this spatula that you can put it on your face with. Just gonna, should probably have gotten a mirror. I'm just using the viewfinder. So as I was saying, if it's not edited out, I haven't been posting on YouTube because they recently changed their rules and now they've demonetized my channel. And it's not like, I'm not a big channel, so it's not like I'm making a lot of money, nor is that the reason I'm making videos. But for me to reach that goal and then for them to just be like, never mind, we changed our minds and just take it away is a huge freaking bummer. And I always hear about these YouTubers like complaining about YouTube's BS rules and all this, and now I'm like, oh cool, I'm already experiencing it. And then I've also noticed that ever since they did that, my videos are not like getting out there, you know what I mean? Like the views have gone down by half, and once again, it's not about the views, but it's like, how is my channel supposed to grow if my videos aren't even getting put out there anymore? It's just, it makes my motivation go away, you know? So I apologize and I feel shitty for feeling that way, but I promise to get back on it. And the other thing is, I'm assuming everyone else is this way, and I've been complaining about it on Instagram, but my family is like hardcore battling this flu. We just keep getting sick, and then we're fine, and then the next day we're sick again. I don't know. We can't stop. There's so much of this mask in here, I feel like I'm going to waste some of it. So yeah, even like my Instagram, I haven't been really posting any outfits lately, but it's just because I keep feeling shitty. So it's like, I just want to be in comfortable clothes and not be posting cute ass pictures. But Eric and I went on a movie date last night, so I finally dressed up and felt all cute. I'm getting into my hair, I don't care. So that was good. We went and saw Black Panther, which was a really freaking good movie. We were both pretty stoked on it. Ew. I feel like Mrs. Doubtfire. I think this is supposed to stay on 15 to 20 minutes. It feels so weird. Yeah, I didn't even use the stuff that's in here, and there's still a little left down in there, but whatever. Okay, so last month I opened my Facetory in a vlog. Oh wait, I need to set my timer. Yeah, last time I opened it in a vlog, so I didn't make an actual video, but like I said, I felt like coming and chatting and just explaining where I've been, even though it's only been 2 weeks. Yeah. So this is Just Keep Glowing. And it's a March one. What is this? Let's Get Lucky. It's your lucky day. Scratch to see what you've won. Cute. It's like a little scratcher. I think. How silly. It says scratch to see what you won, but then on the back it tells me what I won. We'll see if that's true. What do I scratch this with? It says I've won 20% off your next marketplace purchase. So I think like they sell whatever masks from past boxes, or this one. Of course now it's getting dark, so it's going to be a little patchy, but whatever. And then it says you've won your next... Oh. Cute. It says I've won my next month's subscription plan for free. So I guess next month I don't have to pay for it. Oh, well that's nice. Thanks guys. So here's all the little masks. It always has the little, I get the one with 7 in there, 7 Lux, yeah. So it has all of the instructions and all the ingredients of all the masks, because some of them aren't always in English. The first one looks super freaking cute. Water Bomb Jelly Mask. It says it's a pore care. Yeah, pore care. This mask contains a jelly essence that will be sure to provide moisture to your skin and refine your pores. And then they say like the key ingredients and benefits, but I don't think you guys want me to read all of those. The second one is this Oka Buckle Up the Pore Sheet. So it's another pore one with these cute little lips. How I love this. I love the packaging of all of these. Yeah, so same thing. It's just to help tighten up your pores. The third one is this Free and Vita Perfect Skin Adhesion White Gold Glow Mask. The effects of this mask will make you feel like you've just found a box of treasure. Where are the benefits? I'm so confused by this. The gold one says it helps to tighten your pores, help your uneven skin tone, and strengthen the surface of your skin. It's got vitamin C in it to brighten, and anti-aging benefits too. Do any of you like sometimes feel like these masks don't do anything except help with your mind because you just feel like you're relaxing? The fourth one, I'm not even going to try and read the names, the brand of these, but this one is a green tea hyaluronic essence mask, and I'm pretty sure hyaluronic helps to lock in moisture. This one also has anti-aging properties, helps to firm and bring back elasticity to your skin. A powerful humectant that keeps skin plump and hydrated, like I said, for the hyaluronic acid. And it also fights inflammation. The fifth mask is an AC calming system mask. It is to help calm and soothe any irritations in your skin that it might be experiencing, which I love these type of masks for summer because I get burnt really easily. The sixth mask is, it says Dalk Aroma Eucalyptus Mask. So eucalyptus has refreshing and antiseptic attributes while also helping to treat any open wounds. That sounds creepy. And the last one in here, oh, that's weird. I'm not even showing you. It is this two-step mask. Fresh Vita Hydrating Two-Step Mask. It looks like the actual mask in here is dry, and then the liquid is on this side. So I think you would separate them, open this, and pour it in there and kind of just like mush it around, which is semi-silly but also really fun. It makes me feel all like kiddish because I used to do, what was that called? I think it was like a creepy crawly like mad scientist thing that my sister and I used to do. Any of you 90s kids used to do that stuff? We loved it. My face is starting to feel crackly. Ooh. It's feeling harder. So I guess this one has a lot of vitamin B in it. There's tea tree extract, so that's antiseptic. Green grape extract, so it has lots of vitamin E. And then there's lots of vitamin C too, which I know helps with your wrinkles, and it helps to brighten your face too. So I still have 7 minutes left on this. It's feeling weird, but I will come back and show you when I peel it off. I am back. I don't know why I had to say it weird. Ugh, it feels like a weird clammy second skin. Can you see this? Okay. I think I did it. Oh, I think I did it too thin on the edges. But let's try and get this thing off. I almost got it all the way off. Okay. I just realized I have it chilling on my nose. So it left my skin feeling kind of oily. I mean, I know it's not my oil. It's assumingly some kind of like serum-y, I guess. That's probably good to leave on your skin just to feel like the jelliness on you is worth trying that mask out, because it's just a different, weird, cool feeling, you know what I mean? But that's it. I just wanted to come chat a little bit, show you my Facetory masks for March. And yeah, I hope I get back on making videos. I know my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm have recently shipped, so I should be getting them sometime this week. And then I also might have ordered some things from Forever 21, so I'll make a video on that too as soon as I get my stuff. I hope you all are doing well. If you could hit the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you next time. Bye!